Oh my gosh, guys, we're at Joann's and they have put all of the yarn. Look who I found here. All this yarn out. I'm going to give you another view of it here. Look at all that and my red heart. Come on, guys, you know that I'm little that. I didn't know I was coming to Joann's, but okay, come along with me. Let's go see. They're 30% off. They filled this up. They told me that they, oh my goodness. That's beautiful.
$9.99, so on sale it's probably about $6.
Put it right here. Let's.
They have a whole spot of these ones.
Oh, but you know what I miss? I want their bright colors that they always have, you know? Yes, I'm gonna go look for them. So I'm showing everybody what we see in here. We need to get some cotton. Is this cotton? No, this is not cotton, is it? Acrylic polyester. That's kind of cute though. Look at that.
I have 2 balls of these. I got it the other day.
Oh my. Of course you do. Oh my gosh.
There's this one that I like down here, but on sale.
Oh, how much is it?
$6 on sale.
Oh gosh.
I got a price check the other day.
Oh my goodness, I love it.
It's called sprinkle icing, and it really does look like you could just.
Oh, it does taste tasty. I can even taste it right now. Taste tasty. Let's eat yarn, people. Good for good fiber.
Yeah, this is nice.
Joann's is emptying their warehouses. New merchandise arriving daily, and they are not kidding. Let me tell you.
Nope, I've been here.
Okay.
3 times. Ask mine.
Well, I'm gonna put y'all down because I'm gonna go look now. Okay. Talk to y'all later, and I'll show you what I got.
Bye.
Okay, guys, look at this. Do you see this rack? I guess I could just zoom out with my camera. This whole rack right here that moves is on sale now for $50. I want it. I ain't got the money, but I want it.